Hi, it's Jan Autry. Great things are happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. It's the one-pot wonder everyone should have, the best chicken soup ever. Here's what you'll need. 2 to 3 pounds of skinless, boneless chicken thighs, and a couple of pounds of chicken or turkey parts like backs and necks. For the veggies, you'll need carrots, celery, leeks, a parsnip, a rutabaga, and 2 onions, then some bay leaves. And for the liquid, 1 quart of chicken broth and better than Bouillon Soup Base. And if you like pasta in your soup, I love pastina or Orzo pasta. And here comes the secret that makes a soup so amazing. Instead of adding raw onion to the soup, rough chop 2 sweet yellow onions, add a little olive oil to your soup pot, and sauté the onions with the chicken thighs. And cook until the onions are a golden brown. That's the big secret. Now all that's left to do is add 3 large carrots, 2 to 3 large celery stalks, 2 leeks, 1 parsnip, 1 rutabaga, and the turkey or chicken parts. Now add a quart of chicken broth, and then add water to fill the pot. Finally, 3 bay leaves and a tablespoon of bouillon, and let the magic begin. Cook for several hours, then strain the soup and keep the chicken and carrots, and add the broth back in. And if you want to add pasta, this is the time to do it. Homemade, healthful, and hearty chicken soup for the soul and the tummy. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.